Also very much excited to see the team win. What a battle for Dasos Dynamos.
We can see Saina Nehwal, the team owner of Kirti Warriors, and Nehwal gave her retirement too from badminton because of the health reasons. Arthritis. Do you know that, Surya?
Yes, I know it. She is a gem of Indian badminton. Absolute legend. And moreover, her team is playing in the court number 2. Let's see who will win.
From
Very
Saina.
happy faces actually.
The way she's still connected with the game, and some way or the other, though she couldn't continue her game because of health reasons, but still she was in touch with the game somehow or the other, and she owned a team franchisee and she's continuing her passion for the game.
Absolutely true. Like we are about to start the match. As we are speaking, this is very important match for Dasos Dynamos. They should win this battle. They should win this match. And moreover, this is an evenly contest match because both the teams has their own strength. Both the players has their own power hitting ability, or else what do you say, strategies. They have their clear plan indicating how to do things right. Trying to take that beautiful control. Serve. The start of a brilliant serve is much needed. Very much good way to put in the ball. Nice control in the kitchen. And the volley. This is what the volley we were been waiting for. This is what volley we wanted been.
Yeah, we can see a long and let's see who is going to make the unforced error, and who is going to get the point.
Check.
Yeah. This is where consistency, patience comes in. Beautifully made. Forced error. But obviously, Dasos Dynamos will be very happy.
Check.
And new serve. Check. Brilliant control. Strong return.
Check.
Surya, if you see the difference between women's and men's match, there's a difference, Men's are mostly playing the dink rallies, short rallies and all, but women, we can see that, they are forcing deep dives and pushing the opponent far away from the baseline. Why is this?
I mean, like, there is a slight difference, and that's like in terms of as you, the point was very much right, but I feel like automatically comes in with the way match dictates you, because whenever we play any sport, we don't dictate the sport, but the sport dictates us, like how opponents tackle us, how opponent plays. That will we should change our game plan towards that, because if have a opponent obviously change our plan. What happening, I feel.
Rightly, even I think that, men are playing with more of strategy, and women are playing with more of soon we are going to have the co-owners interview. Can you guess who are the co-owners interviews we are going to have now?
Obviously a badminton legend, and also Tarun Bhaskar, two very good people in their industry.
You're right, Surya. So Tarun Bhaskar is one of the co-owner for the Raptors, and Saina Nehwal is the co-owner for Kirti Warriors. So we are going to have their interview soon. While we are going to have their interview, we also can witness this beautiful match. Definitely, Dasos are leading this match now, the match 5 with 3 points. I think definitely they have come up with strategy because that's what they are dominating this match, dictating this match, I would say, because 3-0 start for the Dasos Dynamos.
Want to shoot it from here?
Brilliant aggression finish. Aggressive. Sheer pace. So beautiful to watch. With the cheers itself, you can say Hyderabad loves pickleball. And moreover, great shot on the volley. Taking shots on volley is not so easy thing. We can say by seeing it easy, but whenever you are playing in the court, it is like very tough thing to do it.
Definitely, both the players are showing great touch at the net with these dink shots. Definitely, you need a lot of patience for these shots because it's not easy to play such kind of shots because there's always a scope for error and you have to play with consistency. And both the players are showing tremendous consistency, is what I can say, Surya.
Absolutely. This is what the start Dasos wanted from last 3 games. This is what they were trying to get, but Raptors dominated brilliantly, but this is the game they have to do and they are showing those efforts. We have discussed at this point, saying that this is the game they have to win, must and should. And from the point 1, from the serve 1, they are putting that hard work, putting that efforts.
Definitely, Surya, if we see this, Dasos are not giving any scope for unforced errors and they have really did their homework well this time for this match, I can say. That's why, they are leading this game and they're not to score any.
So brilliantly done. This is what we have been talking about. No matter the age, people love ball, people love sports, and HPL is writing a new history in terms of Hyderabad sporting history.
Check, check.
We are watching match number 5, men's doubles. Dasos were leading 3-0 against the Raptors. And here comes the very good interview with the bat legend, co-owner of Kirti Warriors,
Check.
Saina
Sound.
Nehwal.
Check, 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 check. All right, it's an absolute honor for me. I am with a legend of Indian sport, former world number 1, triple Olympian and an Olympic medalist, ma'am Saina Nehwal. It's an absolute honor to be speaking to you. I'm a little I have goosebumps right now just to be able to speak to you. I'm amazed that you have invested in pickleball now and you have spent a whole life playing badminton. Have you played pickleball? Have you experienced the sport?
Game. Everyone is playing it, and I am with the Kirti Warriors, and I got this opportunity to be a part of the team. And pickleball is a bit like badminton, tennis, so very easy to play the game. And I tried it couple of times, and of course, it's not that easy. Every sport is tough. You have for playing at the court is. Usually we play on the, but also there is. So yeah, it's a tough sport. But when I try my hand, shot. The Warriors. So.
And my second question is, you were obviously world ranked number 1. I am ranked 49 in Shilpa Park, Kondapur. And so from one professional to another, what is the tip? Because pickleball is a sport that a lot of amateurs are. What is a ready tip you can give for people to improve their sport?
So that you have to play the sport. Many people think play for fun and you're looking at playing for fun, so I think once in a week or twice in a week is fine. But if you really want to take it up as a sport, you really have to keep your body fit. For that, you need proper sessions and proper physio. So I think it's a everyone is like to tell them to keep your body safe, because I've heard many people saying that pains, knee pains. So becoming a proper sport and big tournaments as well. So at the moment, I can see craze going on. Yeah, just keep your yours and keep playing the sport. I think it's one of the best that everyone can play.
And my final question to you is that there's the Pickleball League. What is your favorite kind?
It did very less. Um,
Ma'am, it was an absolute honor. Thank you for all the joy you gave us, and thank you for being the person.
That is what is what the beautiful and she was been talking about her legacy, history of badminton, moreover the way people are loving pickleball.
Definitely, we can see how he has spoken about the pickleball, and the kind of fitness we have to maintain in pickleball. Though it is for different age groups, but still fitness is very important in pickleball. This is what Saina Nehwal also said, and the kind of importance we have to give for any sport, because fitness is what is any sport. This is what Saina Nehwal said clearly. To be fit in all the matches.
Right. In terms of health, also fitness is very much important. And Belgium legend did many things. Ranked number one. One. Supporting her team in the pick.
All right.
Good touch.
Check.
Trying to get some brilliant finish and Bhaskar for a quick interception.
All right, I'm at the Hyderabad Pickleball League,
Yeah,
and I
after
have with
Tarun
me
Bhaskar
the director, Tarun. Tarun is surprisingly polite, but it's absolute joy to see your career all through these years. Having known you since the days when you were like making short films on 5D and stuff like that.
Correct, man. I think I see you. It's like a blast from the past. I remember Canon EOS 5D Mark II when I see you, and our weird discussions about everything. So it's good to see both of us doing different things.
Yeah.
It feels amazing.
Yeah. And also, you are an investor in the Hyderabad Pickleball League.
So I'm a part owner of Raptors, and I'm just trying to get my head around the game. Today is my day one, and I'm just overwhelmed right now.
Okay.
So I'm just getting to know the game.
Cool. And have you played pickleball?
Yes, but I will not admit publicly, but I think I am, and Sana's right there, so okay. But it's some kind of pickleball. You remember in the exam halls we played with a pad, and so that's pickleball. Yeah, that kind of pickleball.
And the environment over here, the ambience, it's like being on the sets of Veena Grand Ke Mahindra. Everybody is having fun.
It feels great actually. I think Hyderabad, this is what Hyderabad, I think this represents Hyderabad in a way. It's very cool, and I think more people should come in, and the vibe's just eclectic. How's that word for you?
Beautiful word.
Wonderful. So that's how I should define it.
Yeah, I think he meant electric, but eclectic also works.
Eclectic also works, I think. Yeah.
And my final question, Tarun. I'm sure everybody asks you this whenever they meet you.
Next year.
Right. No, my question is, what is your favorite kind of pickle?
Oh shit. I like the plain mango pickle that my mum makes. I think it's amazing. I stick to classics, but I also like Dondakai pickle. That's like a version you should try it. It's damn nice.
Yeah. See, that is people who are different. I eat Dondakai pickle and Bendakai pickle. But overall, so far, I think Avakai has won hands down. It's the champion of the Hyderabad Pickleball League.
No matter where this guy goes, he's ragging me. I don't know where.
No, it's an absolute honor, and we can't wait for your next movie, Tarun. And should I do the cliched thing of asking you to say a dialogue from your movie?
No, but I'll be playing, training for pickleball, and I'll be playing against Saina one day, and hopefully never show my face again. But that's great.
Cool. Thank you so much, and I hope your team wins.
Thank you. They are winning already. Yeah, they are. They will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. हाँ? वहाँ पे चल रहा है? ठीक है, मैं आता हूँ. So उसमें कुछ करना?